A very good afternoon to everyone. Respected Chairman Sir, Ma'am, Principal Sir, Ma'am, all my colleagues and my dear students. Today, we all are gathered here for the prize distribution ceremony for the academic year 2021. During pandemic period, teaching and learning was full of challenges. The school has organized many online activities to meet the holistic growth at the child-safe environment. These activities were successfully conducted with the courageous participation of the students and unending support of the parents. Therefore, to award their efforts and enhance the spirit, I request our Chairman Sir to give away the prizes for various competitions held for the classes 9 to 12th during the session 2020-21. So I will start this prize ceremony by calling Anshika Namdev from 9th A for getting first prize for speech competition. In the similar category, second prize goes to Asutosh Patel from Standard 9th B. And third prize for the same category is given to Khyati Singh Thakur from 9th A. Now the prize distribution for essay writing competition. I would like to call Soumya Kaurav from Standard 12th for the first prize. She is absent. Second prize goes to Akshara Akanksha Patel from Standard 11th. And third prize goes to Shivani Kaurav from 11th B. She is also absent. Next category is dance competition. In this category, we have two first prizes. I would like to call Anshika Namdev from Standard 9th A and Subhi Kushwaha from Standard 9th A. Anshika Namdev. Khushi Kushwaha. Second prize goes to Akshara Soni from Standard 11th. She is absent. And third prize goes to Madhur Soni of Standard 9th B. Dance competition was held between classes 11th and 12th. Winner is Priyal Vyas from Standard 12. Now I would like to call Ansika Namdev and Priyal Vyas to present a dance.
Respected Chairman Sir, Ma'am, teachers and all my dear friends, I am Anshika Namdev.
And I am Priyal Vyas.
Would like to dedicate our dance to our beloved nation.
ये देश है वीर जवानों का अलबेलों का मस्तानों का इस देश को यारों क्या कहना ये देश है दुनिया का गहना जूता है जापानी ये पतलून हिंदुस्तानी सर पे लाल टोपी रूसी फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी मेरा जूता है जापानी ये पतलून हिंदुस्तानी सर पे लाल टोपी टोपी रूसी फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी
हर करम अपना करेंगे ऐ वतन तेरे लिए दिल दिया है ज़ाबिरे ऐ वतन तेरे लिए
आजा आजा जिंदू शामियान के तले आजा जली वाले नीले आसमान के तले जय हो चक दे इंडिया चक दे इंडिया वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम
सुजलाम सुफलाम मलयज शीतलाम सत्य श्यामला मातरम
वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम
ये दुनिया
ये दुनिया एक दुल्हन दुल्हन के माथे की बिंदिया
ये मेरा इंडिया ये मेरा इंडिया I love my इंडिया ये मेरा इंडिया
हम लोगों को समझ सको तो समझो दिल भर जानी जितना भी तुम समझोगे उतनी होगी हैरानी
फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी 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 मेरा रंग दे मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला माए रंग दे मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला माए रंग दे मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला रंग दे रंग दे रंग दे बसंती चोला माए रंग दे माँ तुझे सलाम अम्मा तुझे सलाम वंदे आओ बच्चों तुम्हें दिखाए झांकी हिंदुस्तान की
इस मिट्टी से तिलक करो ये धरती है बलिदान की
वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम
देश रंगीला रंगीला देश मेरा रंगीला
देश रंगीला रंगीला देश मेरा रंगीला झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा विजय विश्व तिरंगा प्यारा सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा हम बुलबुले हैं इसकी ये गुलसिता हमारा हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा
Now, I would like to call our Honorable Chairman Sir to bless us with his precious words.
My dear students and teachers, when we ask somebody, especially when competitions are held, they won't tell the name of the winner. They will only say, let the best player win. May the best dancer win. May the best singer win. So as far as performance is concerned, the best performers are the winners. And you belong to such a category. Today, you are present here because you people are the winners. And I congratulate you for winning your awards. See, winning does not come so easily in a competition. Several participants are there. There you'll have to work very, very hard, and it all depends on your talent. If you are very talented, if you got the talent naturally by the grace of God, or by all your efforts, sometimes, see, two categories are there. One who has got natural talent, the other person is there who works very hard, puts in the discipline, hard work, etc. So what I surmise, what I guess is that you people are the best and you people are the winners. And even in future, I think you people will be the winners. So on this beautiful occasion, when you have taken your awards, I congratulate you, and I hope you will keep up your performance without losing your heart. That is, you'll have to keep on working. Even if you lose, you should take it in your stride and always aspire for the winning. Never lose your heart. Thank you, and thank you so much for being present here today. Thank you.
Each and every student has given their best effort to make all the competitions possible. Special thanks to all the parents for giving their time to prepare their wards for all the activities. Before ending this ceremony, I would also like to thank everyone to give their precious time for coming here and make it successful. Have a nice day.